Today I'm making sugar cookie pudding bars. First I'm going to add 1 bag of sugar cookie mix into a bowl. Next I'm going to add 1 stick of softened unsalted butter. Then I'm going to add 1/4 cup of milk. Next I'm going to mix that up until the cookie dough forms. Now I have a greased 8x10 pan. I'm going to add the cookie dough into the pan and press it in and then bake this at 350 for 20 minutes. While the sugar cookie is baking, I'm going to make the pudding, so in a bowl I'm going to add 1 box of instant vanilla pudding mix. Next I'm going to add 2 cups of milk. Then I'm just going to mix this up and then put this in the fridge for 30 minutes. Now the sugar cookie is cooled, I'm going to add the vanilla pudding on top and spread that out. Next I add a 1/2 container of whipped topping. I'm going to spread that out. Lastly, I'm going to add some rainbow sprinkles. Here's a piece of the sugar cookie pudding bar.